Hey, welcome back to Lava Tools. I was in Lowe's yesterday looking at going down the aisles, and in the lawnmower section, they had a number of lawnmowers on sale. Not big savings, but a little bit. A lot of it battery, brushless. The Eco one they had was the 254-6173 was on sale for $5.99. It's got twin blades. It's brushless, but it only comes with one 7.5 amp battery. Looks like they had quite a few of those. The other one they had was the 934218. Now this is the Kobalt battery. Again, one battery, 5 amp, 40 volt, $339, so $60 off. Quite a few of those. Then they had the 725985, but it was not self-propelled. It's only got one battery. So basically $90 cheaper if you don't mind pushing something. Otherwise, you're going to pay upwards from $300 up. On the Craftsman side, not a lot of sales as far as lawnmowers. They had the 264-3768 for $299 that came with two 5 amp batteries, but no sale. Just the standard price for the Craftsman. Last stop was Power Tools. Lowe's had some 12 volt DeWalt. Some were extreme, some were not, on sale. Looks like pretty much everything. Drill drivers, recips, impact, all were marked down. So if you were looking for some 12 volt, you might want to go check out Lowe's. Because it looks like they're trying to clear some of them out, getting ready for some new product. So thanks for stopping by at Lava Tools, and have a good one. Check you out next time. Bye.